guys, what's going on? My name is Zach. Welcome to another walk around video with Dean Team Golf Carts Maplewood. Today we're going to be going over a very special cart. This is our 2013 Club Cart Alpha Body Edition. So this is on a 2013 Club Cart Precedent. Then we put an aftermarket body on, right? So you got a super cool boxy frame, kind of looks like a truck. Got some nice studded plates here across the front, and you got LED side mirror or LED headlights, blinkers, all that in the front here. This is also on a 4-inch lift kit with 23-inch wheels and tires. You do have your AT tires on this, so your all-terrain tires will give you a little bit more traction when you're trying to go off-road. The ground clearance with this will also give you some of that ability to actually go out beyond just driving on the road. So moving on the interior of the cart, you have some really nice seat covers here. These are actually not seat covers. They're a whole entire seat replacement. So the front seat here and then the seat back on the front are actually seat replacements for a whole new set of seats, which is really, really nice. The interior, or even more on the inside, this has a brand new Allied lithium battery, which Allied's actually made here in St. Louis. So this is a really cool thing for us that we get to carry these guys. We love these batteries. And they actually have a power button right here, right? So during the winter, you can actually turn this battery off to be able to save some of that energy power that happens when the batteries get cold and they drain a little bit. So you can actually turn this off to save that from happening, right? And then your interior there, you got your onboard charger. So in this one, you just have this little cap here that folds down, and then you just plug in a normal extension cord right into that. And then it charges right there. So you don't even have to have a fancy charger for it or anything like that. You just have a normal extension cord, and it plugs in right there and charges your cart for you. And then your battery meter on this one, turn this off, turn it back on. Your battery meter's right here, so you can see we're at 97% right now. Those actually tell you some other things too, like if there's a fault in your battery or a fault in your charging system or the outlet that you're in. All the information will tell you here if it's not charging correctly. Your forward, neutral, reverse is all done off this toggle switch here, right? So we're in forward, neutral, beep. The beep means you're going in reverse, right? Safety. Safety first. Right here you have a cigarette lighter or 12-volt charger right there, and then you got 2 USB ports right here to charge your phone, or if you wanted to plug in a Bluetooth speaker, you could absolutely do that. Okay. Then up here you have your turn signal system. So your horn's right there on the edge. And these work just like they do in your car. Just twist that to turn that on. Blinkers right there. So this cart here has a manual parking brake, right? So if I hit this, I'm gonna get up in here so it doesn't roll too far on me, but if I hit this, right, we start to roll. So you do have to actually lock that in place by hitting that little parking brake right there. The other thing about this car is that even though it has a lithium battery in it, it's still a 2013, so you do have the DC drive motor in there, just with the upgraded set for the battery. The back seat has the same upgraded seat set that the front does to match, and then you can fold this out. You have a nice little storage spot here, but you also have the seat belts on the back here for your back passengers because there's no grab bar, so it allows you to have your back passengers actually feel a little bit more secure, and these have the DOT approved seat belt in them. Okay, then back here, this is your back step, allow you to get up in or out easily without just having to hop right up in there. You do have the shorter roof on this one. You can extend that if you want to, but what I would suggest doing is folding this out. Cool car like this. You can put a big old speaker back here or a cooler back here. That way you don't even have to worry about your back passengers not being secured or underneath the back canopy. You have this here. You can bump some pretty insane music through this. If you want some more information on this cart, be sure to give our store a call here in Maplewood at 314-647-2858. You can check out our full inventory at deanteamgolfcarts.com. Be sure to also give us a like and a follow at Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook.